You're watching Students Saving the Ocean.
This is Hermit's Cove, and we're here at Coastal Cleanup Day, which is once a year. Volunteers come to places like this and just pick up all the trash that's like along the shorelines. Learn how to dispose of things properly. I think that's really important.
My name is Justin Hull. I work for the Gulf of the Farallones National Marine Sanctuary, and what we're doing today is we're working with a group of high school students, and we're learning all about plankton.
The Big Bang was about 14 billion years ago, and life actually started out in the ocean.
We learned that actually phytoplanktons make up 60% of the oxygen that we breathe in.
Don't use your cars so much. That's the first step in saving the planet.
The key to Coastal Cleanup Day is the fact that it is an educational event first and foremost. It's an opportunity for all of us to take 3 hours and clean up the beach. You see all this stuff out on the beach and it teaches you the impact that you're having on the marine debris problem and on all the trash that's entering our oceans. Stop using single-use disposable items. It is the major thing that we have to pick up every year.
Literacy for Environmental Justice is an environmental education and youth empowerment organization located in Bayview, Hunters Point, and we are addressing the health and environmental concerns of this neighborhood and surrounding communities.
I'm picking up the trash, and basically I'm writing down whatever he picks up.
We have local kids, San Francisco kids, who come here from high school and college, and they work really hard for a couple years here at the Academy, and we make sure we educate them about science and the importance of science, the importance of the oceans, and we give them hands-on experience. They're able to be down on the public floor, working with the public, giving tutorials and giving examples and teaching other kids just like them about the oceans.
My tip is that when you're at the ocean, you should try picking all the trash up that you see so it doesn't get washed into the ocean.
Many of our interns go on to really strong careers in science and sustainability, which we're really happy with.
I initially thought I wanted to do research, but then I realized that what I had more of a passion for and was more important to me was to educate other people about the ocean.
It's a scary moment to be a young person because of all these cascading disasters our ocean planet is facing. But it's also a very exciting time because we know what the solutions are, and if we can create the personal and political will to change the world, we can do it. But we need to do it quickly.
Sustainable seafood to us here at Fish is seafood that can reproduce faster than we're pulling it out of the oceans. When the fishermen go out and catch fish, they're catching it in such a way that they leave some for the next day, that we don't deplete the resource, we don't harm the habitat, we don't harm the forage fish that the other fish depend on for future generations. The importance of sustainability can start with our children. Myself being a parent, I know the influence that my kids have on me. If we were to put food production into our curriculum, into our schools, and educate our children on watersheds, gray water systems, food production, organic produce, what does grass-fed beef mean? When your child gets home from school and looks at you and goes, "Hey mom, dad, I learned about this. Why don't we get that?" Or, "Hey, why are you buying that? I know how that's caught," or "I know how that's grown." That can make a world of difference for our futures. Our kids are our future. Why I do this every day is for my children.